My name's Kadada, and I recently launched an AI automation agency. And it's been a few months, and I know I'm a pretty much beginner in this whole field, but I just wanted to share my thoughts and my experiences and everything on here. So today I'm just gonna show you guys an automation which will actually really help you in your social media and everything, managing. So what most of the brands and everything, and they face the problem is that they actually lack the personnel or the manpower to actually just focus on the social media and answering each and every query, whether it be on comments and everything. So I'm just gonna show you a pretty simple automation that I made to just automate this whole process. So let me just start. So first of all, we got like X here, and what the X technically the X is just here to you can see that I've actually selected the watch mentions. So if anytime anyone will actually mention them, whether it be like in a comment or repost or anything, it will just trigger this, and then it will then go to Instagram, and it will watch a media. You just have to give a post link to it, and it will just keep viewing it. And if there's any comments or likes or anything on the post, it will just inform itself. Then we'll go to Yelp, because Yelp is really important for the business reviews and everything. So we'll just go to Yelp, and we just put in our link and everything. We just connect it to Yelp. We can just go on here, create a connection, and just create a connection to Yelp. And but that way we can just connect Yelp to our automation, and that what this will do is that it will go to Yelp, and yeah, it will see any new reviews. So you don't just have to actually go onto Yelp manually and then see everything. It will just keep viewing Yelp by itself, and you can just select whether you want the automation to run 15 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and everything. So let's just move on to ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT does is that already what we have to do is create a method of chat completion, and in messages we just have to write if the objective and everything, that sentiment, and extract key themes from collected data, instructions, pre-processed text data, remove stop word, hashtag mentions or any irrelevant symbols, and just identify and extract common keywords, themes, etc. And output provide a summary of the sentiment analysis, and there's a top keywords and everything. So what it will do is that technically it will just we will provide it with the raw tweets, comments, reviews, and everything, and it will just organize them. It will just clean them up, and it will then just provide us with everything. So we don't just have to go and manually check each and every one of them. Then it will just go to a table and write a record, and then it will just go to Google Sheets, write a row. You just, like I told you in my previous videos before, you can just go into Google Sheets, create a new row, connect it, and after that you can just put in predefined rows and everything, and just you can just connect it on here. So you just select my drive and headers, and you just have to select the rating and everything. So then we will go to Looker Studio. So what Looker Studio actually is, Looker Studio is of Google, and what it actually does is that it takes in raw information, raw and unorganized information. It just takes that, and it just puts in an organized form. So you can just actually provide it any unorganized information, whether it be your leads that you're actually scraping from the internet. So you can just provide it, and it will just merge them all by itself, and it will just organize them all, and it will just show it to you. And it's actually there's actually two versions of it. You can actually just choose to go paid, or it's actually free to use, but I would actually just choose a free one. Then we actually just go over to MailChimp. So what MailChimp only does is that will it will after the scenario whole runs, and after all of this process happens, it'll just go on to MailChimp, and the MailChimp will actually just send you an email. Okay, so you'll just get an email about all of these details. So you don't just have to manually check each and every one of them. And after that, it will just go on to Slack, and it will just send you a message on Slack about what all happened, and all of the reviews and everything that you're getting from all the social media. I mean, that I've just put in three social media platforms. You can actually just put Facebook and each and everything that you want. So If you actually want to make it like more complex, you can just add a webhook on here, like add a module and select on a webhook, and that's actually, yeah, you can just go on here webhook, and you can just choose a custom webhook, and then you can just choose a hook, or like you can just create a new one, and then you can just copy it, and you can just do that. You can actually transfer like or give them all the data through the webhook. You can just connect equals like all of the apps and everything is nowadays just connected through a webhook or API technically. So what you can do is that you can just use a webhook to call that API, and then you can run this all of this, and you'll just from this automation, you won't really just have to like hire a social media team to just actually keep your reviews or your post and comments in check. You can just do that all by yourself, and you can actually just save a lot of money on this. Like you won't have to like pay $500 or $600 to a person to just keep all of this in check. You can just use an automation, a free automation, which I will be actually giving on the in the end of this video. And obviously, to just get this automation, you just have to me on Instagram, and you just have to write the word automation, and I will send this whole automation to you for free. So that's pretty much all for today's video, and I've actually already made another video of a Shopify automation. So if you actually want to go watch that, the link will be here. So, and that's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and if there's any query or anything, just leave me in the comments, and have a great day.